Hello sir, magandang gabi po sir. Sir, tanong ko lang po sir, ito pong nangyari ngayon na naging decision po ng Senado na kung saan inarchive po nila yung impeachment trial. Ano pong opinion nyo dito sir at napag-desisyon na ng Senado na i-archive na po para bang pansamantala mo nang patayin mo na itong impeachment trial. Ano pong opinion nyo dito sir kasi marami po nagagalit ng mga taong bayan nga, netizen, dahil nga sabi nga nila, i-abolish na lang itong Senado. Ano po opinion nyo dito sa pag-archive po nila?
As a student po and a communication course, taking a communication course, I think the dismissal of the impeachment of Vice President Sara Duterte was unfair and all fully politically motivated kasi we all know that impeachment is like a accountability mechanism to check the politician regardless of the position or popularity. So, if okay naman and wala naman kinakatakot, sana why it need to be dismissed? Though we need to respect the decision of the court, but at the same time, this is an eye-opener, especially for the youth, na nakikita na nare-reveal yung justice system dito sa Philippines na it should be an eye-opener for us kung sinong iboboto natin next elections because as youth, we have the voice, the power to elect those people na gusto nating umupo sa Senate. And dun sa second question po na to abolish the Senate, we all know naman po na it's impossible kasi it's part of our politics. But meron po tayong magagawa. Hindi man natin ito ma-abolish, we have the power to change it, to change the system. Kaya yes, and kaya po as youth, I'm taking part and standing to all the other youth po out there na as a youth, we also have a responsibility to be aware in the political issues, societal issues in our country. And hindi rin pong masamang maki-involve tayo because as a youth, we are also citizens. And as citizens of this country, we are responsible to be involved and to be aware on what's the latest happenings on the Philippines. Yun po.
Naku, maraming salamat. Last na lang po sir, isa pong mensahe nyo bilang kabataan sa mga nangyayaring issue sa social media. Bilang kabataan po, advice mo sa mga kabataan ngayon na mabilis sila maniwala sa mga fake news?
Yun nga po. As a communication student po, it is very important to us to check and verify those news is if fact po talaga siya. Huwag po tayo nakikisabay sa trend, sa kung anong madaming likes. It is our part to check it, to verify it, and sana po we continue to be responsible kasi at the end, I believe the youth is still the future of our country. Nasa kamay po natin ang future ng ating bansa and mapapatunayan po natin yung last elections na kung saan nakita po talaga yung boses ng mga youth, onti-onti po na nagiging aware na sila and I hope it continues po. Yun lang po.
Maraming salamat po sir.
Thank you po.